In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Frigidaire Gallery ice maker light not working, LED door switch and reset. Fix 1. Power check. First of all, you just have to unplug the refrigerator from the main for 30 seconds, then plug the refrigerator back in. Then check the ice maker light. After resetting, this power reset can resolve minor glitches. Next to verify the ice maker is turned on. You just have to open the freezer and locate a ice maker on off switch on the control panel. Then press the switch to turn on the ice maker. Then check the ice maker indicate the light illuminates when it turn on. Fix 3. Inspect the LED and button. You just have to inspect the LED indicator around the button for damage or disconnect. Check for loose or shifted ringing behind the control panel. Then you just have to clean any debris or frost around the button area to ensure the proper illumination. Fix 4. Replace LED or board. If the LED light is damaged, the control board may require replacement. The LED is typically integrated into the control board. So doing all this stuff will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.